Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add time zones to Outlook. So, I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook and I will be able to select 3 time zones in my calendar. But if you're using, for example, Outlook 2019, it is going to work the same, but you are going to be able to only choose 2 time zones in your calendar. I do not have any time zones right now, as you can see. I do have right now because you cannot view time zones in your month view. You can only view your time zones in the week view, in the work week view, or in the day view, or even in the schedule view, but you're not going to be able to see the time zones in the month view. So let's go to the week view because I think it's the best to show you. And then to add some time zones, you want to go to the file settings and then go to the options. And this will bring you to this new window, the Outlook options, as you can see right now. And we want to go to the calendar, which is the second option from the top. And then go down a little bit, scroll down, and as you can see we have the time zones section. We can label the different time zones, so maybe let's label my time zone for home, and we can select which time zone we wanna use. I wanna let that be in the as it was, sorry. And let's say the label a second time zone and the third time zone. So second time zone would be maybe AM, and the seconds is going to be PM. And let's say that you work with individuals from another time zone as me, and I would like to select, for example, Baja California, and the second one is going to be the Bangkok. Okay, so once you selected the time zones, named them, make sure that the checkbox is on, because if it is not on, you're not going to have any time zones right here. So make sure that the checkbox are checked and then click OK. And now, as you can see, we have our time zones right now in our week view, work week view, day view, and even the schedule view. We have these time zones right now, but we do not have it in the month view because they are just not working in the month view. So this is it. This is how you add time zones to Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!